Your kidneys are fist-sized organs located at the bottom of your rib cage, on both sides of your spine. This video is about what you can do to keep your kidneys working optimally and prevent disease. They say kidney stone pain is worse or comparable to labor pain. You definitely don't want to go through it, and it's never too late to start taking care of your kidneys. Before watching the video, consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much. Kidneys perform several functions. Most importantly, they filter waste products, excess water, and other impurities from your blood. These waste products are stored in your bladder and later expelled through urine. In addition, your kidneys regulate pH, salt, and potassium levels in your body. They also produce hormones that regulate blood pressure and control the production of red blood cells. Your kidneys are also responsible for activating a form of vitamin D that helps your body absorb calcium for building bones and regulating muscle function. Maintaining kidney health is important to your overall health and general well-being. By keeping your kidneys healthy, your body will filter and expel waste properly and produce hormones to help your body function properly. Here are some tips to help keep your kidneys healthy. 1. Keep active and fit. Regular exercise is good for more than just your waistline. It can lower the risk of chronic kidney disease. It can also reduce your blood pressure and boost your heart health, which are both important to preventing kidney damage. You don't have to run marathons to reap the reward of exercise. Walking, running, cycling, and even dancing are great for your health. Find an activity that keeps you busy and have fun. It'll be easier to stick to it and have great results. 2. Control your blood sugar. People with diabetes, or a condition that causes high blood sugar, may develop kidney damage. When your body's cells can't use the glucose or sugar in your blood, your kidneys are forced to work extra hard to filter your blood. Over years of exertion, this can lead to life-threatening damage. However, if you can control your blood sugar, you reduce the risk of damage. Also, if the damage is caught early, your doctor can take steps to reduce or prevent additional damage. 3. Monitor blood pressure. High blood pressure can cause kidney damage. If high blood pressure occurs with other health issues like diabetes, heart disease, or high cholesterol, the impact on your body can be significant. A healthy blood pressure reading is 120/80. Prehypertension is between that point and 139/89. Lifestyle and dietary changes may help lower your blood pressure at this point. If your blood pressure readings are consistently above 140/90, you may have high blood pressure. You should talk with your doctor about monitoring your blood pressure regularly, making changes to your lifestyle, and possibly taking medication. 4. Monitor weight and eat a healthy diet. People who are overweight or obese are at risk for a number of health conditions that can damage the kidneys. These include diabetes, heart disease, and kidney disease. A healthy diet that's low in sodium, processed meats, and other kidney-damaging foods may help reduce the risk of kidney damage. Focus on eating fresh ingredients that are naturally low sodium, such as cauliflower, blueberries, fish, whole grains, and more. 5. Drink plenty of fluids. There's no magic behind the cliché advice to drink 8 glasses of water a day, but it's a good goal precisely because it encourages you to stay hydrated. Regular, consistent water intake is healthy for your kidneys. Water helps clear sodium and toxins from your kidneys. It also lowers your risk of chronic kidney disease. Aim for at least 1.5 to 2 liters in a day. Exactly how much water you need depends largely on your health and lifestyle. Factors like climate, exercise, gender, overall health, and whether or not you're pregnant or breastfeeding are important to consider when planning your daily water intake. People who have previously had kidney stones should drink a bit more water to help prevent stone deposits in the future. 6. Don't smoke. Smoking damages your body's blood vessels. This leads to slower blood flow throughout your body and to your kidneys. Smoking also puts your kidneys at an increased risk for cancer. If you stop smoking, your risk will drop. However, it'll take many years to return to the risk level of a person who's never smoked. 7. Limit pain pills. If you regularly take over-the-counter pain pills, you may be causing kidney damage. Nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs or NSAIDs, including ibuprofen and naproxen, can damage your kidneys if you take them regularly for chronic pain, headaches, or arthritis. People with no kidney issues who take the medicine occasionally are likely in the clear. However, if you use these medicines daily, you could be risking your kidney's health. Talk with your doctor about kidney-safe treatments if you're coping with pain. In conclusion, your kidneys are vital to your overall health. These organs are responsible for many functions, from processing body waste to making hormones. That's why taking care of your kidneys should be a top health priority. Maintaining an active, health-conscious lifestyle is the best thing you can do to make sure your kidneys stay healthy. If you have a chronic health condition that increases your risk for kidney damage or kidney disease, you should also work closely with your doctor to watch for signs of loss of kidney function. You have finally made it to the end of the video, and I hope you have learned a thing or two. Why not celebrate by subscribing to the channel and look forward to more videos of this kind. Please don't forget to hit the like button as it helps others find the video. You can also share it with your friends. See you in the next video.